Hi Croeso. Welcome to Learning Welsh Through Songs and Poems. Did you know that research by Souza in 2011 and Ellis in 2005? Well, check out the references below for all the details. Shows there are compelling reasons why learning through songs and poems can be super effective and help us remember things better. Why is that? Well, music and rhythm have this amazing power over our brains, making everything more fun and much easier to recall. Pretty cool, right? Let's begin by learning some more vocabulary. The more words we know, the better. Without knowing what words mean, how can we even begin to understand sentences, grammar rules, or anything written down? After that, I'd love for you to listen to the song to really help those words stick and improve your Welsh. I'll see you in our next session. And if you're keen to discover more about learning Welsh through poems and songs, don't forget to click subscribe.
Dwyt ti'm yn cofio Macsen? Does neb yn ei nabod o. Mae 1600 o flynyddoedd. Yn amser rhy hir i'r co. Pan aeth Magnus Manimus o Gymru. Yn y flwyddyn 383. A'n gadael yn genedl gyfan. A heddiw, welen ni. Rinni yma o hyd. Rinni yma o hyd. Gweitha pawb a phopeth. Gweitha pawb a phopeth. Gweitha pawb a phopeth. Rinni yma o hyd. Rinni yma o hyd. Gweitha pawb a phopeth. Gweitha pawb a phopeth. Gweitha pawb a phopeth. Rinni yma o hyd.
Does neb yn ei nabod o. Mae 1600 o flynyddoedd yn amser i hir i'r co. Oedd Magnus Maximus o Gymru yn y flwyddyn 383 a'n gadael yn genedl gyfan a heddiw